Hello, assalamu alaikum guys. Here we are back with the next video. In this video we are going to make tahari. So for making tahari, the first step is to fry the onion. In this we have taken 2 big onion and 2.5 spoon oil, tablespoon. The onion is getting fried. So meanwhile have a look on this. This is 200 grams dahi, tomatoes, green chilli, lemon juice and coriander and mint leaves. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add green chilies in that, and you can see the onion, it is getting little brown. Just for 2 minutes we have to fry it. Turmeric powder, salt as per your taste, but here we are adding 1 teaspoon salt. See the onion is brown. Now add tomatoes. Add mutton. 2 teaspoon of curd. Some coriander and mint leaves. 1 spoon dhania powder. Now keep the flame on medium and let it cook for 10 minutes so the mutton can smash out. Meanwhile we will look after the rice. Here I have taken 3 glasses of rice, but for measuring the water we should use the double up of this rice. So I have added the rice in this boil. So if it is 1 bowl, no, we have to take 2 bowl of water. If we measure it in this way, the rice will get cooked properly and we won't be scared that rice will spoil, and also measure it in this way, you will get perfect rice. So wash the rice in 3 to 2 waters and rinse out the water. Now I will show you the gravy. It is ready, I think now. Wow, yum. See, the oil should get separated like this. Now it is ready. Now we will add the water. As I showed you the quantity of water, you have to add in the same way. Double up the rice and add the water. See, from this bowl we have taken the rice. Now from with that bowl only we are adding the water. So that's it, we have added the water. Now let this water to boil completely. It takes, I think, 10 to 15 minutes to boil. So the water is getting boiled. Here we are making curd chutney. For making curd chutney you have to add salt in that. Just half teaspoon salt. Tomatoes. Onion. That's it, it's ready. So this tahari is very easy and instant recipe to make. Whenever we get unexpected guests in our house, we can make it in very short time. So use this recipe and do leave your valuable comments, guys. Now we have added rice in this, as you can see. Cover the lid and put it on high flame. See, now we got a boil in the rice. Now after getting boil only you have to add salt and lemon juice, because if we add the salt and lemon juice in the beginning, the mutton won't get smashed out easily. If you add in the starting, you have to use pressure cooker. As I said, this is instant recipe, so you have to look after these small tips for getting it so early to get cooked. See, now we have added all the things. Now we should cover the lid and keep the flame on medium. As you can see, our rice is getting cooked. So very soon, in 5 to 10 minutes, it will be ready now. So तहारी जो है हमारी वो लो फ्लेम पर रखी हुई है एंड चटनी इज ऑल्सो रेडी. एंड वन मोर थिंग, आज का वेदर गाइस इतना हॉट है ना, एंड ऐसे हॉट वेदर में आप लोगों को जो जल्दी पकाने की रेसिपी मिलेंगी, इंस्टेंट रेसिपी, वो तहारी रहेगी. एंड द वे वी हैव शोड दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंस्टेंट, सो यू कैन यूज इट. जस्ट अ सेकेंड, आई विल शो यू द वेदर. सो ये था हमारे हैदराबाद का वेदर. एंड लेट मी नो फ्रॉम वेयर यू आर वॉचिंग अवर वीडियो एंड लीव योर कमेंट्स. And here our final look is ready. How it is, leave your comments and tell how it is. Yeah, that's it. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you do so, like, share and subscribe the channel, and do leave your valuable comments. And never ever forget to respect the person who is cooking for you. Give respect. We will have some title on this in the next video. Yeah, that's it. Bye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.